Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix when keeps restarting on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on the settings app. Now in setting, click on system, reset phone and factory reset, erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But so please subscribe for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.